Is your organization still running analytics models on SQL Server Analysis Services, commonly known as SSAS? While SSAS has been a powerful platform for enterprise semantic modeling, many organizations are now moving toward cloud-native analytics with Microsoft Fabric. SSAS has long supported multidimensional and tabular models for enterprise reporting. But modern data environments are evolving rapidly. Organizations today face challenges such as managing on-premise infrastructure, scaling semantic models for growing datasets, integrating analytics with real-time data platforms, supporting AI-driven insights, and collaborative analytics. These limitations make it difficult to build truly modern analytics ecosystems. Microsoft Fabric introduces a unified analytics platform that brings together data engineering, data science, data warehousing, and business intelligence in one environment. With native integration across Power BI, OneLake, and Azure services, Fabric enables organizations to build scalable semantic models in the cloud, connect directly to modern lakehouse architectures, enable AI-powered analytics and co-pilot experiences, deliver real-time insights across the enterprise. This transformation helps organizations move from legacy BI infrastructure to a modern, cloud-first analytics architecture. However, migrating SSAS models to Microsoft Fabric can be complex. Many enterprises have large semantic models, calculations, hierarchies, and business logic built over many years. Manually recreating these models in Fabric can take months and may introduce inconsistencies in key business metrics. That's where Pulse Convert by Office Solution AI Labs helps. Pulse Convert uses intelligent automation to analyze SSAS models, extract semantic logic, measures, and relationships, and convert them into Fabric-ready semantic models and Power BI datasets. This significantly reduces migration effort while preserving critical business logic. If your organization is planning to modernize its analytics platform, migrating from SSAS to Microsoft Fabric can unlock scalable cloud analytics, faster insights, and AI-powered decision-making. Start your modernization journey today with Pulse Convert.